Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful double cable headband. It has lots and lots of texture and works up quickly. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pattern. So to get started, we're going to need a size H 5mm crochet hook and some medium size 4 weight yarn. We're going to start by chaining 15. Double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Double crochet into the next stitch, skip the next stitch, and double crochet 2 into the next. Chain 2, double crochet 2 into the same stitch, skip the next stitch, double crochet into the next 2 stitches, skip the next stitch, work 2 double crochet into the next, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch, skip the next stitch, and work a double crochet into the last 2 stitches. And your work will look like this for row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Now we're going to double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 5, we're going to single crochet into our stitch right here, right below those clusters we made from row 1. So we're going to work right in that space and single crochet. Now we're going to work our way back up the chain 5 we just made and single crochet into each of those chains. So we're going to single crochet 5, that's 3, 4, and 5. We're going to skip the next 2 stitches and work right into our chain 2 that we made from the previous row. We're going to work 2 double crochets. Now we're going to chain 5, and we're going to single crochet into that same space, that same stitch down there that we did the first time with our chain 5, and again we're going to single crochet in each of those chains that we just made for a total of 5 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to skip the next 2 stitches and work a double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And now we're going to chain 5, and we're going to work into this space where our clusters were from row 1, and we're going to single crochet and work a single crochet into each of those 5 chains we just made. Skip the next 2 stitches, and we're going to work into that chain 2 from the previous row, and we're going to double crochet 2 into that chain 2 space, and chain 5, work into the same space that we did with the first chain 5, and single crochet, and single crochet into each of those chains. That's 3, 4, and 5. Skip the next 2 stitches and work a double crochet into the last 2 stitches. And that is row 2. For row 3, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work, and we're just going to double crochet in our stitches across. And for this row, we're going to double crochet 10 across, and that is on purpose. It makes everything easier as you continue the pattern, and you can easily see the double crochet stitches that you'll want to be working in double crochet into. So and then you can see your next set across. Basically, you can see each of the 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2, and we're just going to work a double crochet into each of those. And the headband will turn out great and will look even and everything. This just makes it easy to see those stitches and to work a double crochet and not have to guess. So we've worked our 10 double crochets. For row 4, we're going to chain 2 and turn our work and work a double crochet into the first 2 stitches, chain 5, and now we're going to work a single crochet between the 2 double crochets that we made from the row before the last row. So we're just going to go down and work a single crochet between those 2 double crochets and work a single crochet into each of the chain 5 that we made. You'll see as you keep working this pattern, it'll just be easier and easier once you get going. And so now we're just going to work a double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. And chain 5. Work a single crochet in between those 2 double crochets again, and work a single crochet in each of the chain 5 you made. Double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 5, work in between these 2 double crochets from 2 rows down, and work a single crochet into each of the chain 5. 5 total single crochets, and it's okay if you don't get it perfectly in that stitch. Maybe on the last one is a little hard and you just get the top of it. That's fine. It's not going to make a difference. It will look the same. And work a double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 5, single crochet again in between those 2 double crochets, and work a total of 5 single crochets up that chain that we just made. And now we're going to work a double crochet into the last 2 stitches. And that is the end of row 4. So we're going to work a couple more rows again, just so we feel confident. So chain 2 and turn your work. And we're going to double crochet into each of the stitches across for a total of 10 double crochets. That was a repeat of row 3. Now we're going to chain 2 and turn your work. And this will be a repeat of row 4. We're going to work a double crochet into the first 2 stitches, chain 5, we're going to work in between our double crochets from 2 rows down, and we're going to work a single crochet and single crochet in each of the chain 5s. Double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 5, work a single crochet into that same space between the 2 double crochets, and single crochet into each of those 5 chains. Double crochet the next 2 stitches, chain 5, single crochet between the 2 double crochets 2 rows down, and single crochet in each of the chain 5 you just made. Double crochet into the next 2 stitches, chain 5, single crochet into that same space where you chain 5 and single crocheted into, and work 5 single crochets back up that chain. And double crochet into the last 2 stitches. And you're just going to be repeating rows 3 and 4 until your piece measures about 19 inches long, ending with row 4. And I will post the link to the written pattern where you can finish the headband. It's very simple to complete it from there. And this is just a tutorial to show you how to make this beautiful textured stitch. So I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.